No, it's pointing, but it didn't drop yet. Turn it sideways.
You see that? You see when the lightning is?
Uh-huh.
Right there.
Me and Trace
I'm
on
gonna call
really.
you right back. I'm gonna call you.
That's over there towards
God.
Cedar Hill.
Okay, alright, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
You see how quiet it done got? That's what
Jesus.
when they get quiet like this.
Yeah,
Why look like there's no clouds over us?
it just got real still.
When they get quiet, that's when
Yes.
yeah.
The wind's still blowing though.
You don't hear nothing, do you?
You can hear a pin drop. That's over Cedar Hill right now.
Well, they all want to cover.
Right there, look over there. Right over there by that chimney.
When it lightened again, it went and back up. Right there.
Yeah, right over there.
I went over there too.
Yep, there it goes pointing again right there. You saw it?
But it won't come down. It just.
They always say the storms are always the tornadoes always to the east of the storm. So the storm's over us, but it's to the east of us right now.
Ooh, I see a big one. Look like it already dropped.
That's a rain shield. No, that's a rain shield. That's in DeSoto.
Yeah.
Look right there by that chimney. Watch.
They got this.
You see it?
Oh, God.
Right there. Look by this side of that chimney. You saw it?
The same thing happened right there. But then when